Oh my god, I've been on mute this whole freaking time. Sorry. Well, you guys got to see what I was doing, but you didn't get to hear what I was doing. Yeah, it's day 10. I made it through the night. I'm back. And yeah, I killed a wolf. And I'm coming back to Jen to get a job. I made a forge. And I'm trying to make my workbench again. Yeah, again. Okay, I need, let's see what you got for tools. Absolutely nothing. Okay. Let's not worry
Oh, are
about
you
that
leaving
right
so
now.
soon?
No, I'm trying,
Oh, it's
trying to
too
get a
bad I couldn't
job,
help
damn
you.
it. There we go.
Well, maybe next time.
Let's go with that west, out west. That's, that's the farm
I
next
had a
door.
good
Let's
feeling
go do
about
this.
you.
Let's get it done.
Good luck.
Well, let's ride my back. Do I have to go to the house first, or do I have to go to the barn first? Ugh, I don't need that. I think it's the barn. That part. It just there's a thing way down there, so I guess I just gotta figure it out. I think I have to go in here for. Yep, the door's open. Okay, the door's open. It's waiting for me. All right, let's put my killing stuff back on and go. Get everything I can. Um, Hide in the backpack, huh? You know how it's so funny where we have to sneak in on them? We think we really have to sneak in on them. I'll take that. Die, bastard. It's for sale. That's awesome. There's a lot of the stuff I lost, so that's nice to have back. Let's get that out of there. Do I want to make Molotov cocktails? Oh, I need 2 cloth fragments. Oh, okay. Let's sneak in here. I'll take that. I don't see anybody. So far, so good. Come on, I need a... Damn it. I'll wear those. Okay. I can hear people walking out there, but I can't see them. Are those better? Yeah. What am I supposed to, where am I supposed to go from here, damn it? Huh. Okay, why's all the damn doors open? Go upstairs. Fine, I'll do that. That's very narrow looking. I'm coming. Hold on. Hold on to your man panties. So calm down, calm down. I'm gonna be there in a second. Is that better than what I got on? I think it's the same. Yeah, I'll keep that. What's that? Get rid of that. Don't need that yet. Everything is unlocked. Come on, new pistol. Take that. Let's get some of that out of there. Oh, you're up there. Okay. Do I eat that? Yeah, I can eat that. Yeah, let's eat some soup. Whoop. Ooh, get down, get down, get down. Fuck. Back, bitch. Back. Run. Ooh. Son of a bitch. Stamina. Come on, stamina. Got somebody, somewhere. How did I get up there? Down here. Okay. Probably got one more. Nope, all gone. Let's get this back. Whew. Let's where? Yeah. Let's scrap. What the hell are they doing out there? Where is it? Oh, I lost it. Oh, there it is. Let's modify. Take you. Complete. Here, modify. Let's put you in there. Come on, work with me, damn it. Okay. I don't need it. I'm good. I'm good. Awesome. Is there anything else I can ask? Throw that out. I don't need that. Okay. Let's see. Nice. Oh, there's some clothes there. Why is she so mad? She can get up here. Oh, nice acid. Come on, some good. Well, that'll work. Big old pile. Yeah. Never go wrong with that. I thought I was toast. Yeah. What's this? Learn just where it hits your target to maximize damage. Oh, gosh, shotguns do too much. Nice. What do we get rid of? Let's. Where? Yeah, I need that. Let's 50 and 50. Kinda need everything. Let's eat some food. Yeah, I'm hungry. Gets me bullets. Come on. Well. That's better than that. There we go. Let's not. Put you in there. I don't need you really. Get rid of a little bit more stuff. Let's do that. Yeah, we'll do that. All right. I'm over encumbered as hell, but I made it, and see if I can repair some stuff. Oh no. Okay, I don't need that. Let's scrap it. You always gotta make sure you're scrapping the right thing, cause you freaking never know. Put that up there. Okay, that's all the stuff I'm selling. I have to have a workbench. I think I can make something. Nope, I cannot. So I'll probably sell those. Okay, let's get my ass back across the road. I thought I was going to have to go over to that barn, but I didn't. Okay, where's the damn way? There it is. Where's my bike? Way the hell out there. See, I thought those were. I see you, chicken. I thought those were connected, but they're not. Let's go. Let's do this. Come on, I hope I get something really good. Do I have stuff in there? I think I do. I do. Let's put that here. There we go. Let's put this. I don't need that. I'll wait. Man, that was miserable trying to get back in the dark.
Another strange. Now that you have some money to spend,
Sledgehammer,
we're running a
vitamins.
10% off sale for the rest of the day.
You're killing me, man. Let's do that. Can I see your inventory? Yeah. I'm wearing those. I don't need that. That one.
Now that was a good deal. Trust
Oh,
me.
there it is.
I'm
I
a
want
doctor.
that. Or do I just want to sell it? Because that takes a lot of stamina. I'm going to sell it. All right, I think I'm okay. Just over a little. She doesn't restock till
I
day
just
13.
knew you'd
I'm on
find
day
something
10.
you'd like.
Let's do another job. Southwest. I'm not doing no restore power at night.
I
Let's
need
do
someone who's willing.
Oh,
Hurry
that
back
chance.
soon,
I'll be
and
right
I'll have
back.
a nice reward for you.
Okay. I'm hoping it's a good one. I know you get better rewards in... What's right over there? I'm gonna go get that. Not too far away. I'm gonna go there. Let's go. It's not too far. See? Actually, it's a little further than I thought. I need to find a place I can get some tools. Calm down, lady. We'll be there eventually. We'll get some food. I can go into... No, not Prowling Pete's. Auto wash. Nah, I don't want auto wash. I think I already did that place. Let's get this done now. You stay the fuck over there, lady. Well, look at all that iron right there. Well, I lost my damn pickaxe. Lost everything. All of my tools, they're gone. I think this is in the desert. I mean, that's not a bad thing. It is when there's a bunch of birds, but... A bird. Fuck you, birds. Fuck! You're gonna kill me. Motherfuckers. Okay. Now you know why I hate this place. Okay, come on, something good. I earned... Motherfucker. Let's get the fuck out of here. Holy shit. Fuck off. I know I can eat those, but I don't want to. Let's go back. Holy crap. Stupid birds. It's already 1300. Well, what the hell? Oh, piece of iron. You know when I'm going to need those. I won't find any of them. I wonder. Let's... Fuck that. Fucking whore. let's take that. Eat that. And I don't have no sewing kits. There's your open. 10 pies. All right. Not bad. Maybe some sewing kits. Let's go. Maybe I can find some here. People suck. Shut the fuck up. Okay. Come on, give me some wrench or a hammer. Wrench or a hammer. What the hell? Oh, it's already searched. Oh well. Let's go. Standing there like an idiot. Come on. Oh, that's weird. Wind up back here. I know. You can come and find me over here at this blue house. Come on. I'm always out of stamina. I need to get my health up. Okay. Already did that. Let's get my health up. Yeah, let's do that. Eat some of that. Drink that. Let's eat one more. I hated doing that. Yeah. Oh, got a broken limb. Do I have a broken limb? Okay. It's only got 4 minutes. Let's put some stuff away. Okay. Let's go over here. Start this again. I wish it was something I already didn't need. Oh, I'll take those, but you can go. I believe there was something. Already heard me? Let's get all this cobblestone. When my broken arm is going to take forever, or my sprained arm. Oh. All right, let's go back to my weapon. What's in there? Ooh. Is that better than what I have? It is. Oh, I can't repair. Oh, it's in the bike. Okay. That's all right. Let's see what's in there. Yeah, let's modify. Let's take that out. And go back in here. Oh, damn it. Go here. That's probably why we keep getting my ass handed to me. Because my stuff sucks. Let's just get rid of that. I'll read that just to get it out of here. Use that. I didn't do anything, but hey. Let's put that on something. There we go. All right. We're getting somewhere. That was good. Okay. Do you hear me, zombie? Oh, that was funny. Glock said one at a time. There we go. Get your stamina up. Ooh, nice. Yeah, drop all that for me. Yeah. I'll take that. Trying to hide that bag. Nice. I'll put that in here. I don't know if I could put it in there. No. I think I'm going to keep that way. Yeah, I'm going to leave it alone. I can throw that out. Put that down there. I needed that damn thing. Nice. Alright. I think this is where I got my cobble all the last time. It worked out. And a lot of my... Let's switch some stuff around here. Yeah, there we go. I believe there is somebody down there at the end of the hallway. These let you get steel and iron, forged steel and iron. So far nothing. Okay. I'm not going to take that apart, only because that takes forever to break down. Yeah. Nice. Okay, got him down. I need some better weapons. I'm on day 10 and I have this crap. What's over here? Ooh, backpack. I'll just take that. I don't need that other stuff. A garment bag. Oh, I need that. Oh, I don't need it. Not anymore. What is that? Oh. There it is. Purse. Oh, nice. I think I'll take that. You never know when you're going to need that. What's up here? I know there's a bunch of zombies up here, isn't there? Let's shoot her in the head. Go down and right there. Where's the other one? I hear you. Where are you at? Oh, right there. Nice. Didn't know I could do that. Pretty lethal. Another backpack. I'll take that. Okay. Starting to get really over encumbered. Nice. Found it already. I'll take that since I already have some. Come on, I need a toilet gun. No toilet gun. Would be nice if I could find one. I need to find the kitchen so I can get a pot. Cooking pot. Okay, that's ready. Did I pass the kitchen? I think this is the kitchen. Oh, got a pot. Yes. Okay, let's get rid of some stuff. I don't need that. I don't need that. Get that down. Take that. I think I'll put my weighted head mod on here. If it'll let me. Yep, it'll let me. Okay. There we go. That'll work. Thank you very much. Done anything to drink? I'll take that. Untouched. Oh, no thank you. What's in the fridge? Is there something to eat? A bone. All right. I'm very over encumbered and I haven't even finished this place yet. Let me drink that. Let's oh Lord, I've got way too much stuff. I'm going to be going upstairs. I might as well drink something. Let's drink it. Let's hope I don't get the poops. Okay. Okay, not as bad as it was. Okay. I don't have any nails on me, so I'll scrap. Made out like a bandit on this one. Come on. Let me up. Let's go here. All right. Nothing in there. Somebody was having a party. I'll take it. I see you. Sorry about that. Oop, I gotta hurry, Okay. I want the main loot though. Where is it? Oh, Lord, where is it? It's in this room down here. You know there's like 400 freaking zombies in there. Let's see. Let's load up. Let's not use that. Let's use this. They never show up till I fall in there. Alright, fucking do it. That's it? Oh, yeah, I'm not done, that's why. Something to eat? Let's get rid of that. Eat that. What's in here? Okay. What was that? I don't need that. I might need that for a headlamp. Ooh, I'll keep that one on. Moisten my damn bullets, I know, I know. Die, Skinny Pete. There we go. Let's see. I'm just fucking shooting everything, aren't they? Alright. Let's do that. Throw that out. I still got an owie. Let's see. I'm sorry you guys can't see, but I think I have one of those. Hey, I finished one. Nice. I don't need that. I don't need those. There. Perfect. Let's see. Oh, thank God that doesn't break those. Robotic ammo turret, yes. I have a level 5 somewhere, so I'm just gonna scrap that and take those. Oh, I don't know how she died, but I will take it. Let's eat those. Throw that out. Scrap. Take. Drink. Why not, right? One beer should make us drunk. Gets me buzzed. No. All right, folks, I'm done here. Let's get our asses out of here. Let's see. There we go. Let's move it out. Oh, nope. Out here. Here we go. Get in there. There. Perfect. Look at that. Let's go see her real quick. I can sell some stuff and get home. And this will be another day down. Yes. Come on, bikey. Park. Come on. Shut the door. She doesn't reset till day 13, so I'm not going to even look for anything, because she doesn't carry freaking bullets.
I knew you had it in you.
You
Good
knew,
work.
didn't you? I already have that. I don't think I want that. What do I have? I already have a 3, but what's the best? That one's the best. Okay. There. Let's get some shit done. I think I already have that. Have that. I need that. We can have that. I don't want heavy armor. Look at that. I have that and already. What a day. Okay, she doesn't have any. Let's buy a couple of bandages. I don't want that. Just the bandages. First aid kit. What has she got here? Oh, a pistol? Oh, I don't have enough. I never have enough. 50, I don't have enough for that either. Damn it.
Remember me if you need
No,
medical supplies.
Oh, I need a job. Let's get a job. Nope. Never mind. No, thank you. I'll be back in a couple days. Let's do that. Enemy soul. There we go. That's all I need. Yeah, let's get home. Put our stuff away. call this the end of the day. Nice. Maybe cook some stuff because I have a pot and a grill. So I can get that done. Yeah. This has been a good day. I'm going to raid that place instead of taking a job from her because that has easy stuff in it. Could we get a move on, please? There we go. That has a lot of stuff in there for me. So I'm not doing it, not yet. Let's flip it around. Fine, perfect. Let's see if I can get most of this stuff out of here. Oh, I can. Can barely move. I don't care. Let's get this shit done. Oh, this is a balancing beam. Sweet. Nice. Look at that. Let's put this in here real quick. Right there and right there. I'm so happy. Okay. Don't need to pick that up. I didn't get the stuff for my workbench, but I got stuff for my grill. Let's keep that. So when I make a headlamp, I'll have it. Let me keep that on me. Let's see. I don't need that with me. Looking good. Looking good. Okay. Let's put these down here so I know that I can. Do I have some more? Oh, I got 7. There. Yeah, let's go make some. Let's go make some water to end our day. That will be wonderful. Sweet. What the hell? No. What was that? Oh. Quit switching shit. Recipes. All right. I'm going to wait till I get some more eggs to cook that meat. I'm not wasting it. I have a little bit more. I have a little bit of food, so I'm not too worried. Yeah, looking good. Okay. That's the end of another day. And I thank you guys for watching. And this is Cat Fry Games. Y'all have a great day.